In this video we will show you how to check and replace green press switch of ultrasonic machine. First you will have to remove back cover of your machine. Note down the connection given to the green press switch. Now remove connection given to green press switch. Now remove green press switch as shown here. Check continuity of switch after pressing it as shown. If it does not show continuity, then it means that switch is not working. Now replace green switch with new one provided by Doit Impex. If you are watching this video on Facebook, like the page, and if you are watching it on YouTube, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.